You've been dealing with the child support agency and they've told you that they can't be of any more assistance to you in resolving your case. The agency tells you you have to take your case to court. Well, there could be various reasons for this. One of the more common reasons is because the child support agency can only deal with cases which go back in time 18 months or so. If your case goes back further in time than 18 months, the agency can't help you. You have to go to court. So you've looked on the Family Court website, you've downloaded the self-help guide that is there for self-represented litigants, but you're scratching your head thinking, do I really need to go to a family court? There aren't that many of them. There's one in each state capital. Some of the larger provincial cities have them as well, Dandenong in Victoria, Parramatta in New South Wales, but there aren't that many of them. Is it possible to bring your child support case in your local magistrates court? And most large towns in Australia, of course, have a magistrates court. Well, the answer is yes. If you have to go to court, you can probably bring your case, your child support case, in the local magistrates court. Now, the law on point as regards that can be found in section 99, subsection 2 of the Child Support Assessment Act of 1989. It clearly says that state courts of summary jurisdiction have jurisdiction in child support cases. The issue was also mentioned and determined by the High Court of Australia in a case called Luton and Lascelles, one of the very few cases, child support cases, to have ever gone to the High Court. Luton and Lascelles is reported in volume 210 of the Commonwealth Law Reports, and avid users of the local law library will see that it is reported at page 333. Mr. Justice Kirby made that point about state courts having jurisdiction at page 375 of the case. Several years ago, I wrote an article for the Family Law Review on this point, where I discussed the issue at length. That article can be found in volume 7 of the Family Law Review at page 54. It's only a short article and it's well worth the read, well worth visiting your local law library and having a look at it. If you don't have access to a law library, of course, you can always find these cases on the Austlii website. My name is Simon Bacon. I was a child support lawyer for 35 years. And if you have any further questions or queries about this issue of which court can hear your child support case, have a look at my website, childsupportlawyers.com.au.